What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carvinster Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be checking out some slap, aka subwoofers, aka music to finally put in the Lexus Ls400. We're not doing no installations today, but we're going shopping. Pretty much, we're going shopping. We're going to see how much everything is going to cost, what I want, and all that. It may be depending on the price, we might go back next week to go ahead and install everything, because as you guys know, this car doesn't have no music in it, because my partner who had this car before, he had music in it and he took it all out because I didn't want to pay for it. So I don't have no music in the car currently. If y'all know me, y'all know I need my music, or if you don't know me, just know I need my music. So we have to get music in this car. But I do want to show you guys the trunk, because this trunk is huge. So here's the trunk of this car right here, man. This trunk is super duper huge. So I know I could do 212s. Well, I know I'm going with 212s automatically, and these are like the OEM speakers that the car came with. He got other speakers in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace those. But yeah, these are the OEM speakers, and see how small these speakers is? They're hella small, but they are in hella good conditions. No rips on it or nothing. It's time to go ahead and replace it. It's time to go ahead and get some slap. I need to hear my trunk banging. Bow, bow, bow. I'm stupid. But we're gonna go to the same place to install my music in the Infiniti G35. So let's go ahead and start the LS. It's not a cold start, but ooh, look at the LS. Big V8. All right, y'all, we just pulling up to the radio shop, as y'all can see right here. Finna go in and go see what they got for us. Oh, thank you, I appreciate it. All right, y'all, let's walk into the store. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and look around, man. Oh, they got some copyright up in here. Yeah, they got some copyright up in here, y'all, so we'll talk about it when I get in the car. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm leaving the stereo shop. There was some copyright up in there, so I didn't want to you know, get copyrighted or nothing. So that's the reason why I didn't too much record in there, but I really wanted to, so I could show you guys exactly what I'm getting. But I will be getting comp Qs again. So I have comp Q10s, but this time we're getting comp Q12s. So I'll be getting some 12s in here, man. I'm going back to the roots, man. I'm getting some 212s. I believe those speakers RMS is at like 850 RMS, I believe. So we're getting that. We're also going with kicker speakers, and then some bullet speakers, and then what else? I'm getting a Hi-Phonics amp. I'm going back with Hi-Phonics. Personally, I like the Hi-Phonics amp that I have on a G35, so I'm going with Hi-Phonics again, but this one will be a 2500 watt amp. I'm going with a Pioneer double din. So yeah, this will be going, and I'm going with a double din up in here so I can get Apple CarPlay. And the most important, I need my EQ. I need my EQ. I need to EQ my music. That's important. So, and I believe that's it. I believe that's it. Oh, and I'm also going to be running a separate battery too, because of all the power that's going to be going into the car. So we're going to be running a whole nother battery in here. So this car gonna slap. I ain't gonna lie, this car gonna slap. I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna be getting a ported box or whatever too, so I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited about how the way this car gonna sound. I just gotta wait 1 week, man. I gotta wait 1 week. I wanted to do it tomorrow because the price is not that bad for everything that I'm doing. I wanted to come back tomorrow, but he said he's only gonna have 2 workers in there, so it'll probably be bad to come in tomorrow. And he said just come in on Friday. I don't know, I might come on Monday, to be honest. I don't know. I need my slap. I need my slap. I need it bad. I need it now. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I was on my way up here, I'm just listening to music off my phone and stuff. I'm like, nah, I need my slap, man. I need it fast. I need it like right now. I can't do it without me having music for too long. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, music is everything to me. I need my music, man. So the G35 will have slap. This car will have slap. The only car that won't have slap is the Legend. I'm a little iffy about the Legend, I ain't gonna lie. We'll talk about that in a later video, but yeah, man. So, cause look, I just want to show y'all that this car, you cannot play no music. It's on loud right now. Can't play no music. because it needs an amp. So all I would really need to do is just buy an amp, and I could just listen to, you know, the radio or whatever. But what's the fun in that? You know what I'm saying? I need to come around slapping. I'm in a big body. I need to be like, bah, bah, bah. You know what I'm saying? I need to come around like knocking. And knowing that those 10s knock, how hard they knock, blew my whole little mirror off and stuff. So, and I have history with 12s. I honestly believe that 12s are the best sounding subwoofer to me. You know what I'm saying? Because you get that deep tone bass and it's also loud. You know what I'm saying? Like if you get a 10, the bass is like hecka deep. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like on those deep bass notes, you really gonna hear it on a 10. But the speaker's not that loud. Like you're not gonna really hear it from far away. Like you'll hear it from, you know, like, you know, close up or whatever, but you're not gonna hear it from far away. But people have told me that they could hear me in a G35, but you know, I don't know. But normally 10s are not that loud, but 12s are loud and it has that deep like bass to it. And that's like the perfect speaker to me. Like when I had 12s and my CL, my Accurate CL, I had 4 of them. Man, those things was knocking. And I had like the mid 12s too. Like I had like Kickers CBRs. I had the red line, and those was like only like, what was it? Either 300 or 500 RMS. Like, no, I think it was like 200. Yeah, I think it was like 300 RMS. Like the speakers wasn't that powerful as the speakers that I'm about to be getting. So I know that these speakers is gonna knock. You know, I'm gonna have a chance to get a bigger box up in here, and man, it's gonna run off its own power supply. So, whoo, I'm coming, man. I'm coming. And then later down the line, we might add to it. I might add another one. I might add 312s down the line. Initially, my plan was to run 312s in here, to be honest, but you know, they don't have pre-made boxing. You gotta wait to, you know, get a box. I ain't doing all that. So what I'm gonna do for right now is I'm gonna start with 2 and then probably wait like 6 months to a year. I'm extremely excited. Let me know in the comments if you're excited that I'll be having slap and a Lexus Ls400, and let me know if you're excited to hear what it sounds like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is just the start of me getting slap. I just want to let you guys know what I'm getting. You know, I want to let you guys know everything. You know what I'm saying? I want to let you guys know everything, what I'm doing with the cars. Like I showed y'all, me getting tires and alignment and all this. I want to take y'all on a journey, and I also want to take myself on a journey, because I like when I do videos like this, because as time go, I like to look back at these videos and be like, oh, this is where I started, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really excited about that. I really can't wait to get slapping here, bro. I already know it's gonna sound good. It's a big body. I'm just mad that the seats don't go down, but it is what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like right now. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the family. Subscribe. If you haven't already, subscribe. Trust me, you're gonna want to subscribe. You got a lot of stuff to look forward to. G35 stuff, this car, maybe Legend stuff, you know, a lot of stuff to look forward to. So definitely subscribe, show your support and all that, and I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.
Look, I'm a